Bible Study Guide. Day 56, Numbers 5-6. In this chapter, God gives instructions for dealing with various cases of impurity in the Israelite camp. He commands that anyone who becomes ceremonially unclean must be sent outside the camp until they have been cleansed. This is to ensure the holiness and purity of the community as a whole. God also addresses issues of dishonesty and injustice within the community. He commands that anyone who has wronged another person must make full restitution, including an additional 20% of the value of what was taken. If the victim is dead or has no family, the restitution goes to the priest. This shows the importance of honesty and fairness in God's eyes. God also reveals a test for determining if a woman has committed adultery. If her husband suspects her of being unfaithful, he can bring her to the priest to undergo a trial by ordeal. This involves drinking water that has been mixed with dust from the tabernacle floor. If she is guilty, the water will cause her abdomen to swell and her thigh to waste away. This test may seem harsh, but it was meant to protect the sanctity of marriage and discourage infidelity within the community. God also outlines the requirements for taking a Nazirite vow, which involves consecrating oneself to God for a set period of time. During this time, the individual must refrain from drinking alcohol and cutting their hair. They must also avoid contact with dead bodies. If the person breaks any of these rules, even accidentally, they have to start the vow over. This vow is a way for individuals to demonstrate their devotion to God and serve Him in a special way. Examples of Nazirites in the Bible include John the Baptist, Samson, and Samuel. The final section of chapter 6 contains the famous priestly blessing, also known as the Aaronic blessing. This is a beautiful prayer for God's favor and protection upon His people. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. This blessing is still commonly used in Jewish and Christian settings, reminding us of God's love and desire to bless His people. As we read about the laws and customs of the Israelites, it can be easy to dismiss them as outdated or irrelevant to our modern lives. However, there are still valuable lessons we can learn from these chapters today. The importance of holiness and purity is emphasized throughout this passage. Just as God commands His people to maintain a holy community, we too must strive for purity in our own lives and relationships with others. The theme of restitution for wrongs committed reminds us of the importance of honesty and fairness in our dealings with others. We must take responsibility for our actions and seek to make things right when we have wronged someone. Finally, the priestly blessing serves as a beautiful reminder of God's love and desire to bless us. As we go about our days, may we remember that the Lord is with us, shining His face upon us and giving us peace. May we also strive to bless others and be a source of God's love in the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.